7, let's rotate this cone. Might just be a little easier to understand how to do this problem if we look at it this way. So they're asking for the height of the cone, which is this dimension. And currently, all we know is that the radius is 7 and the surface area is 703.7. So we start with what they gave us. What's the formula for the surface area of a cone? It's pi r squared plus pi r times the slant height. 7 squared is 49. So we have 49 pi plus 7 pi L, and do not add these together. They are not like terms. This term is in terms of L, and this term is not. So do not combine these. To find H, we're going to need to find L in this equation first, because L is this dimension. It's the slant height. All right, so how we'd find L? Let's subtract 49 pi from both sides. And then we'll divide both sides by 7 pi. Make sure that when you do this left part in your calculator, you use parentheses. We essentially get 25. But remember, they're asking for the green height of the cone. So how are we going to do that? We're going to use Pythagorean's theorem because we have a right triangle right here. You can see it as like a slice in the 3 dimensions, but it's really this 2-dimensional right triangle. So we know that a squared plus b squared equals the hypotenuse, c squared. So when we subtract 7 squared from the left, it's gone, and 7 squared from the right, this is 625, take away 49, which gives us 576. And taking the square root of both sides, we have the answer. The height is 24. Choice C.